Hey, good morning YouTubers. What I have here is a food dryer. It is Easy Flow. That's the brand, but brand's not important in this video. So this is going to be a hacked version of filament dryer. So I've got 5 racks high, and inside I place 1 roll of filament. I can fit 2 on here, it just about fits, so I can dry 2. I have cut the centres out the racks, and if you, from the edge, if I count 1, 2, I've cut it around there. So if you've got a food dryer at home and it's not yours, it's your partner's or your wife's, don't just cut it, don't want you getting in trouble. So consider asking if it's old, not used. Just to add to this, we can get these food dryers off someone like Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, boot sales, whatever you want to call it. And at the moment, you can hear it. I need to change the setting to medium on this one, because medium is between 50 and 60. So I'll press that and that'll go over 1. I'll put the lid on. Sorry about my handy video work. I have got a probe meter here, just a cheap temperature probe. I'll just drop that down in there, just let it go down, and we should get some action on there, and we'll let it warm up. So I'll just pause the video while I let it warm up, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so it's been a few more minutes and it's getting up there, but not quite 50 yet. We should be sitting just over 50. Recommended for drying. Between 50 and 60 is recommended. 53.07. It's slowly going up, but it's definitely below 60 and it's definitely above 50, so it's good temperature. Recommended drying time is 4 hours. Okay, so let's pour this out. Let's turn it off on here. Well, I'll turn it down. I'll tell you what, I'll just turn the power off. We'll open her up. And so this has been going for about 4 hours. Then we shall have a look. Now, excuse the camera work. Now, instead of being brittle like spaghetti, when you bend it, it is pliable. It's like when you get filament. You can snap PLA, but it's not coming off. Can you see it just hanging on there? So that's how the filament should be.